Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glitch and static video effect in CapCut PC. So you're going to go to the effects section and you're going to select the glitch bit here, and you are going to find like a glitch effect that you like, maybe this one. You can also adjust the filters, the range, and the speed as well. If that's not enough, you can also add in the fuzzy one as well. But I'm just going to go and select that, and I'm going to adjust the strength a little bit. I'm going to adjust the ladder chromatic part as well, and the speed so it's not too much. And yeah, that is it. You can just select the ones that you want. Maybe add this bad TV. Just keep layering it until you get the video that you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.